Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of these Quntis LED string lights for outdoor with 53 feet length. It comes with 15 lamp holders, 16 bulbs and 50 lumen, has length of 53 feet. Is suitable for indoor and outdoor and has a perfect color temperature of 2700 Kelvin. So what's the reason why I bought this thing? I have already made 2 attempts to put some really nice lights outside in my patio and I fully failed. So my first attempt was something like this, but the classic light bulbs, no LED, the ones which you get the cheapest. I just went into Home Depot and I bought the cheapest light or string light which I could get, and these were like normal classic lights which get incredibly hot, and they were so cheaply made. It was crazy. That was actually one of my worst experiences in my whole life. I just plugged it in and the light bulbs became so incredibly hot that one of them burst almost immediately, maybe after a minute or so. It was crazy. I didn't touch it, I didn't do anything, it just exploded, and it was really close to me, and I was really super lucky that it didn't hurt me or some family members, and I was done with it and I sent it back or brought it back to Home Depot, and then I bought an LED string light, like the flat strings, not like the bulbs, just the modern string lights, and they are not bad, but they have a huge disadvantage when it comes to white, and especially warm white. It's absolutely impossible to create a nice warm light with LED strip lights. I have brought down the old LED strip from outside from the patio, and you can now see how hard it is to get some really nice warm light. You have here all the colors. You can make nice blue, you can make green, yellow, red, purple, but white, warm white, it's impossible. It's always some kind of blue or greenish or something like that, but no real warm light. It's impossible, no matter what LED strip light you buy. So you have to really buy something else if you want to have some warm light. And so I figured out this is probably the thing for me, not the strip lights but the string lights, 2700 Kelvin. I bought it on Amazon. They have really good reviews. Here's some description, and what's really important for me: shatterproof, safe, and of course energy saving, durable. Everything looks really good. So let's take it out of the box and see what we get, and then I'm going to mount them and then I'm going to show how it looks. So I guess here we have the spare bulb, and here's the whole set. So nicely packaged, but we have to still be a little bit careful, of course. And we get also some small instructions manual. Maybe you're interested into that, but of course it's not rocket science, it's just a light. But still, what's also really nice that we get these mounts here, or these strings to mount. So I'm going to take the old light down and then mount this, and then I can show you how this works. What was also really important for me, that they are dimmable, so I can buy a dimmer and have even a little bit dimmed light, not in full strength. Yeah, maybe one small warning here right at the beginning: when you get this spare bulb, don't put it like this, because this can drop and then be damaged, and this is what happened to me. It dropped, but it looks like it was not damaged. It got a little bit of something here, but it looks like it's not damaged, luckily. But just make sure that it doesn't drop, that you don't have same thing. So I'm going to plug it in really quickly so you can get an impression on how these lights are here when we have them here in one pile. And you can see, the thing is what you get, the This is really plastic, this is not glass. So, and I mean, this thing dropped and it didn't break. Looks like also this thing here is pretty shatterproof, and this is exactly what I wanted. And it doesn't get really hot, at least not at the moment. I mean, of course, after burning for a long time, it gets probably a little bit warm, but the whole thing is only 15 watts. You can really feel that it's not a huge amount of heat. I mean, it's I can barely feel. If you had normal light bulbs, the classic light bulbs, this thing with this light intensity would create a huge amount of heat, and when I'm touching here, I can barely feel any heat. So that's much better, and it saves me a lot of money over time. Maybe something, if you're worried about how easy or difficult it is to replace a bulb, you can just unscrew this and then pull out the LED. Needs a little bit of power, but not too much. And here's the old one, and now we are going to replace it with the one which dropped, so we have an impression if this is really strong, really shatterproof. I mean, it's shatterproof, of course, it didn't break, but we want to see if it survived the drop. So I keep this thing here, so I push it down and we have the light, so you can see it even survived a really hard drop on a tile floor. This is amazing. So it looks like it's really very good quality. Okay, so this is now a couple of days later, and I have mounted the patio light, or this light here in the patio. I mean, the patio is definitely not a beauty, it's a mess, but I'm just renting. I cannot change everything. I just removed the old LED strip light and replaced it with this really nice string light from Quntis, and it worked awesomely. I can tell you, it's so much of a difference. Here I can show you, by the way, I have added a smart plug dimmer, Wi-Fi dimmer outside, and now I can control it from my mobile phone. I can also apply a schedule, so it's always turning on and off in the morning and in the evening, and it's very beautiful. And I can use the dimmer also with the scheduling, and everything works awesomely. It's such a difference. When I showed it first time to my wife, she was blown away. Yeah, she was almost freaking out. She said, "Oh my gosh, this is what I have been waiting for so long time." I mean, she really didn't like the LED strip light which I had, which was just producing this somehow weird light, like cold white, and this thing is so much better. No matter if it's fully dimmed or on full brightness, the light quality is so much better here. It's such a nice warm light. Of course, the camera is not perfect, but I hope you can still see that it's so amazing. You can reduce the light a lot to almost complete darkness, and then increase if you need more light. So this is now how it should have been from the beginning, actually. But now I do not only have like a really nice light quality, I have also a safe light. This is also very important, especially when children are around. I don't want to put them in danger. Now I have both. I have beautiful, good light, and it's safe, and it was pretty easy to apply, actually. I mean, it has these hooks, and it comes with these straps and everything. So this is definitely what I need. And also what I liked is that it comes with this extension cord, so you can use it with a short cord or with a long cord. I have applied the long cord. Maybe you just need a short one, so it's very flexible. It's beautiful, it's good, it's not heating up, it's not consuming a lot of energy. This is exactly how it should be, so I'm super happy with it. I can give you full recommendation on that, and so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.